Good morning, folks. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I did a clean with me, and now here we are. I'm starting out in the kitchen because it is the most disgusting as per usual. In comes my little dishes helper. He absolutely loves trying to help me unload the dishwasher, and it is fucking hilarious. But the only thing he can really successfully do is pull the bowls out, and then he stacks them for me, and it is just so cute. If he hears me open the dishwasher, he comes running because he needs to help. Little helper dude. Nothing like a good old-fashioned nap time dishes session. I swear to God, these feel like they go on for the whole nap, even if there's only 5 things in the sink. As soon as I'm done this, I will be moving on to my little cups by the sink. If you haven't seen any of my cleaning videos before, I keep all of my nail tools, makeup brushes, shaving accoutrement in the little cups by the sink there, and then whenever I do dishes, I just scrub them up at the end, and then I don't have to worry about them. Job done. And now for some spring cleaning items that I didn't get to in the actual spring. I'm just going through all of the like extra body products and such that are in the hall closet, and I'm putting anything that's open and still good and being used in that bag or in their respective bins. Anything that is in good condition and unopened, I'm donating, and then anything that is expired or I know I'm not going to use but it's open and can't donate, I'm just kind of throwing in the garbage. So there's quite a bit to go through here, but closet organization is a must, people. Another quick little mom hack here: if you have a toddler that is in a booster seat and you have padded chairs, instead of getting a fancy schmancy chair cover, just use an old towel, and then you can just throw it in the wash after and put another one on, and the seat holds it in place. It is so easy. Look at that. Also, for anybody who's wondering about this vacuum, it is life-changing, and I will be doing an entire video reviewing this for you, but I will have it linked down below if you wanted to just check it out on your own. And to finish this video up today, I'm going to be putting together this water table for Roars. He absolutely loves it. It was $40 at Walmart. Highly recommend. He thinks it is the funnest thing on the face of the planet. He also has mistaken it for a pool on occasion. But it is brilliant, super easy to put together, 10 out of 10. And that sums it up for now. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed this channel, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. Please enjoy the end of the video. We will see you in the next one.